Thank you for tuning in to Zim News Beat TV with Robert Mkhwanazi.
General Mkhwanazi's Bombshell, why DJ Sumbody and his bodyguard were shot dead, and how Cat Matlala is linked. By Njabulo Masiko. July 14, 2025. 0. In the shadows of South Africa's vibrant entertainment scene, a sinister plot may be unfolding, one that links the deaths of beloved artists to high-level corruption in a ruthless battle for control. The story begins with a chilling question: what connects an AK-47, a pistol, and the murder of DJ Sumbody and his bodyguard? The investigation is zeroing in on a possible connection between these firearms and the April 2024 killing of engineer Armand Swart in Vereeniging. Swart's company had reportedly uncovered corruption related to Transnet tenders, making him a target. But the tendrils of this case may extend far beyond a single murder, potentially illuminating a series of shootings targeting high-profile artists in Gauteng over the past 4 years. Upajan Sifoka, known to his fans as DJ Sumbody, and his bodyguard, Wolters Bisiso, were gunned down in Johannesburg in November 2022. Their deaths, initially shrouded in mystery, now edge closer to a disturbing nexus of gangsterism, drug trafficking, state corruption, extortion rackets, and criminal networks embedded in private security companies and nightclubs. A key figure emerging in this complex web is Vasi Cat Matlala, a businessman with alleged ties to Bisiso's past. Bisiso is believed to have worked for Cat VIP Protection, a security company founded by Matlala. Matlala himself was awarded a R360 million police contract last year, which has since been terminated. Adding another layer of intrigue, slain whistleblower Babita Diakaran had previously flagged Matlala over contracts linked to Tembisa Hospital in Gauteng. The plot thickened when KwaZulu-Natal Police Commissioner Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi alleged that Matlala was financially supporting Police Minister Senzo Mkhunazi's political endeavors. Mkhwanazi has vehemently denied these claims, stating that he does not know Matlala and has never received anything from him. Mkhwanazi's allegations have ignited an unprecedented scandal, one that threatens to expose a high-level criminal syndicate operating within the South African Police Service, SAPS, the Police Ministry, Parliament, prison officials, the judiciary, and other law enforcement authorities. Mkhwanazi claims that a drug cartel headquartered in Gauteng is ultimately controlling this syndicate, suggesting that an internationally operating cartel, with ties to the state and the private sector, is based in the province that also houses South Africa's administrative capital, Pretoria. National Police Commissioner General Fanny Masemola has acknowledged the gravity of the situation, describing the scandal as unprecedented and stating that it strikes at the heart of the police. President Cyril Ramaphosa has stepped in, signaling the seriousness of the crisis. The investigation hinges on hard evidence, particularly ballistics reports linking the firearms used in the Swart murder to other high-profile cases, including the shootings of South African artists. Mkhwanazi stated that a ballistics expert from the Political Killings Task Team issued a report on December 30, 2024, connecting the AK-47 and pistol confiscated in the Swart case to a number of shootings dating back to 2021. While he did not name the artists, he indicated that suspects in these cases were known and awaiting prosecution. Mkhwanazi further alleged that the day after the crucial ballistics report was issued, December 31, 2024, Mkhwanazi sent out a directive to freeze the filling of vacancies in the Crime Intelligence Unit and to disband the Political Killings Task Team. Mkhwanazi claims that this disbanding was a deliberate attempt by Mkhwanazi to shield politically connected members of a criminal syndicate from prosecution. Mkhwanazi has dismissed these allegations. Adding to the intrigue, actress Tebogo Thope-Jane, who is Cat Matlala's former girlfriend, was wounded in a shooting in Sandton in October 2023. Among those arrested for her attempted murder is none other than Vasi Cat Matlala, the same individual Mkhwanazi has accused Mkhwanazi of being in cahoots with. Matlala is the president of Cat VIP Protection, a company that claims to offer elite human and asset protection with over 30 years of experience in law enforcement. The spotlight has also turned to the murder of DJ Sumbody and Bisiso. Following Mkhwanazi's press conference, suspicions arose regarding Sbisso's possible connection to Cat VIP protection. Photos circulating on social media and on Cat VIP's Instagram page suggest that Sbisso may have worked for the company. The entertainment industry, particularly nightclubs and lifestyle venues, is increasingly being viewed as part of this complex matrix. DJ Sumbody was known for the Pipe lifestyle brand, which included venues in Pretoria and Cape Town. The Pipe Lifestyle Lounge in Cape Town has been the subject of controversy, with accusations of gang involvement and intimidation of customers. Ralph Stanfield, an accused 28's gang boss, and his wife Nicole Johnson were allegedly involved in the venue. Kagiso Setsetsi, who was DJ Sumbody's business partner, claimed that Stanfield was involved in handling security at Pipe Cape Town and that gangsters had terrorized customers after the venue opened in 2021. Setsetsi, while hiding in Dubai, expressed fear for his life, claiming he received threats from a crime suspect and would be killed immediately if he returned to South Africa. He believes the underworld has serious contacts in most authorities' ranks and would know if he was in the country, putting his life at risk. These claims tally with Mkhwanazi's claims that the police force is seriously compromised by the underworld mafia. If Mkhwanazi's allegations are accurate, and the AK-47 and pistol used in the Swart killing are indeed linked to other high-profile murders, including Sifoka's shooting, it would merge gang suspicions with the developing policing scandal, painting a disturbing picture of corruption and criminality at the highest levels. The investigation has also turned its attention to the drug trade, with suspicions that crooked cops are working with gangsters in the Western Cape. There have long been suspicions that figures based in Gauteng import narcotics and distribute them throughout South Africa, with a special focus on Western Cape gangs. Luxury vehicles and drug consignments are allegedly exchanged between the provinces, and there are beliefs that politicians and individuals with state ties are benefiting from the illicit trade. Mkhwanazi's presentation alleged that an investigation involving police officers from KwaZulu-Natal and Gauteng had unmasked the syndicate, which involves politicians, law enforcement, SAPS, Metro Police and Correctional Services, prosecutors, judiciary, and controlled by drug cartel as well as business people. He claimed that this cartel was headquartered in Gauteng and importing drugs from South America, often entering South Africa through Durban Harbour. From Durban, the drugs were allegedly transported to Gauteng, processed, and distributed around South Africa and beyond. The Crime Intelligence Unit has also come under scrutiny, with its head, Dumizani Khumalo, and 6 colleagues arrested on corruption-related charges. Mkhwanazi has implied that their arrests were a deliberate attempt to destroy crime intelligence. Khumalo's name previously surfaced in a cocaine scandal linked to AR 200 million interception in Johannesburg in July 2021, along with that of Major General Firoz Khan, the head of counterintelligence and security at Crime Intelligence. Khan was accused of defeating the ends of justice and bringing the SAPS into disrepute in connection with the 2021 cocaine bust. However, Khan has countered that Khumalo used the cocaine interception to target him due to his investigations into the abuse of secret funds, potentially linking back to Khumalo. The cocaine at the center of the 2021 scandal had reportedly come from Brazil, arrived in KwaZulu-Natal, and been transported to Gauteng, following the same route that Mkhwanazi said the alleged cartel was using. Further supporting Mkhwanazi's claims, the Hawks offices in Port Shepstone, KwaZulu-Natal, were burgled in November 2021, and cocaine worth R200 million was stolen. This theft, widely viewed as an inside job, bolsters Mkhwanazi's claim that corrupt police are involved in drug trafficking.
For these and more stories, tune in to Zim News Bit TV with Robert Tafumani.